Oh, that's so cool. Look at that flame.
Today I'm gonna do a fun little project. I'm gonna try and make a rocket stove out of this 7x8 timber, and then I'm gonna try and cook an egg on it. We'll see if it works. This is just for fun. I've seen a bunch of other little rocket stoves, and they work pretty well. I wanted to see if I could make one out of some of my scrap. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to drill a hole through this way and a hole through this way, and then cut this part off. And that's going to be where I set my hot plate for cooking my egg. Then I'll drill a hole down the center for my flue, and I'll do a little burn chamber at the bottom. Okay, so I've got the holes drilled through, and I'm going to cut this top piece off. Forgot how long it takes to saw through a 7x8. Especially when it's not on a sawhorse. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to set my pan right on top of there after I cut the chimney out of it. Let's see how this works.
Did you accidentally summon me?
Flip it over. Let's measure. As close as possible. There we go. So now, I want to create a burn chamber and an air inlet. So, create the burn chamber first. Okay, now we'll create an air inlet. Now I'm going to take my chisel, clear out that make that burn chamber bigger. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So here's the top where I'm going to set my little frying pan. And then here I've got my burn chamber. And then on this side I've cut a hole in so the air can come in. And I've got the hole in the bottom as well, but that's going to just be sitting on a brick, so. Well, it works pretty well, as you can see. My eggs cooking away. I think it's smoking a little bit because it's burning the inside of the log, or the timber. But as you can see, I'm using relatively little fuel for cooking over a fire.
Probably turn that egg over.
Weird. Sure burning away.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at that flame. Oh, that's a really cool flame. I hope you viewers can see that. It's a lot cooler in real life, though.
Wow.